This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I am headed to a terrific Lincoln Park location, a short walk from the park's most popular attractions, and a few steps east of the strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Clark Street to tour one of the apartments at the Patricians, 401 West Fullerton. I'm in apartment 302W, a completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Looking east at Lincoln Park, just a few steps away. Turning into a spacious living dining room. With high ceilings, baseboard and crown moldings. Looking at genuine oak flooring that extends throughout the apartment. Sconce lighting and a great bay window. A great room. Heading back toward the foyer that opens into the apartment. A spacious entryway. Hall closet off to your left. Almost ideal spot for a home office desk here. Heading into the kitchen. Got white cabinets contrasting with the gray walls. Refrigerator, freezer. Built-in dishwasher. The microwave and a 4-burner gas range. Window opens with light to the west. You have white quartz counters, soft closed cabinetry. Looking at bedroom 2, plenty of space for any size bedding. There's a ceiling fan. Heading toward the primary bedroom, which has an ensuite bath. Closet off to my left, off to my right. Beautifully updated bath. There's marble veined tile on the floor. Soft closed toilet. Walk-in shower. And shelving for linens. Window opens out onto Fullerton with a view of the park. Getting back through the living room again. And that great arch adds a lot of character to the space. Bedroom 3, again can accommodate any size bedding. Ceiling fan and has a shallow walk-in closet. Second bath is directly opposite. Has an in-unit front-loading washer-dryer and a bath with a translucent window for natural light. Great lighting here. Subway tile and the tub surround. And you have a soaking tub and again a soft closed toilet. The Patricians is a truly fabulous location. Attractive amenities, including a fitness room and a rooftop sundeck. Wide variety of apartments. Some of them beautifully updated, as the one you just saw. Definitely want the Patricians high on your must-see list. Head to the Patricians website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.